In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to find Webflow through Google. Open your project, add a code block, paste in the code for an animated accordion, and save your changes with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow, then click the official webflow.com result. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on your dashboard. This is your home base for all projects, so it's a good idea to bookmark it for quick access later. From your dashboard, open the project you want to edit and choose the option to view the site so you can work in the designer. If you manage multiple projects, double-check you've opened the right one. Keeping your dashboard open in a separate tab helps you switch back quickly if needed. Once you're in the designer, open the Add Elements panel. You can do this by clicking the plus icon in the interface. This panel is where you'll find everything you can place on the canvas, from basic layout blocks to more advanced components. Use the search field in the Add panel and type Code Block. This quickly filters the list so you can locate the code block element. In Webflow, the code block, sometimes referred to as an embed, lets you insert custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript when you need functionality that isn't available out of the box. It's powerful, so be mindful that some custom code only renders fully in preview or on the published site. Add the code block to the spot on your page where the animated accordion should live. Then click to open it and paste in the code you've prepared to build an animated accordion in Webflow. Make sure your markup, classes, and IDs match what your CSS and JavaScript expect. Keep class names unique to avoid conflicts, and if you're including styles or scripts directly, wrap them in proper style and script tags. If your code depends on a library, ensure it's loaded in the correct order. Clean, well-scoped code will save you debugging time. When you're done, click Save and Close. You should now see a placeholder or a simplified representation on the canvas. Use Webflow's preview to check interactions, and remember that some animations or scripts may appear only when previewing or after publishing. If something doesn't behave as expected, open your browser console to spot errors, confirm that selectors match your HTML, and verify that no conflicting styles are overriding your accordion. That's it. You used Google to get to Webflow, opened your site, added a code block, pasted your accordion code, and saved your changes. Keep exploring, iterate safely, and enjoy building.